Alright, it is Thursday, August 16, 2018 at 1:24 p.m. Let's take a look at the weather. There's a lot of flood watches happening right now, different places. In central Oklahoma, there's a flood watch. In eastern Oklahoma, there is a flood advisory and flood warning. In central Kentucky, there's a flood watch. In western Tennessee, there is flood warning. It looks like flood advisory. Alright. And weirdly enough, in southern Nevada, southern California, and northwestern Arizona, Las Vegas area, there's a flood watch. I don't know why there's one there, because it doesn't really look like it's raining a lot there right now, but apparently there is one. So, alright. Take a look at these rain bands. Rain coming through Louisiana, New Orleans, Alabama, and parts of Florida. Alright, parts of Tallahassee, and below Montgomery. Rain bands are coming in, heading northeast. Alright, let's take a look also on the western side of Tennessee. Jackson, apparently there's storms coming in. And all below Columbus, just streaming right up. Alright, let's take a look at Lane. Tropical Storm Lane. I made a video yesterday saying for the people in Hawaii to please keep an eye on this storm, to please prepare with supplies for a hurricane, just in case. Please be ready. Always better to be ready. Better to be safe than sorry. Alright. Tropical Storm Lane, maximum sustained winds 50 knots or 60 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure 1001 millibar. Located 10.6 north, 127.6 west. Movement west at 12 knots or 14 miles an hour. Yeah, it's a little bit stronger now than yesterday. Just a little bit, not too much. Alright, let's look here. The earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds will be around Monday, 8 a.m. to reach the closest to the island. Alright, so that's good to take a look at. Let's look at Ventusky and see the little forecast. Alright, Monday is when... So let's take a look at Sunday, what it will look like before it arrives there. Alright, it looks like it's heading below Hawaii. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. It might miss Hawaii. It might go a little bit below Hawaii. Hopefully it'll stay below. Hopefully it does not hit head on. Alright, Wednesday. Yeah, this is going to be a close one if it actually follows this track. It's either going to go right below, and this is Thursday. Yeah, this is... Please, people of Hawaii, prepare for a hurricane just in case. You never know if it's actually going to veer off into the Pacific, go way below and totally miss you. But just as a warning, to be safe, please be prepared. You never know, it could veer north a little bit and really cause a lot of flooding. This is basically 2.24 inches of rain in 3 hours. That would cause possibility of flash flooding and troubles with winds in that area. Let's take a look at wind speed. 54, 50, 70 miles an hour, 77. Alright, so it's good to please be prepared for that time from Sunday, Monday, and the whole of next week. Please be prepared and ready for a hurricane, just in case. Have the things you need. This is Lane right now. She seems to be intensifying and getting stronger. So, yep, please be prepared for a hurricane. Alright, let's look at the Atlantic wide. There is a disturbance in the Atlantic other than Ernesto, has a 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. It is located 750 miles east-southeast of the Windward Islands. It's producing a large area of this organized cloudiness and showers. Some gradual development of this system is possible over the next couple of days while it moves west-northwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour toward the Windward Islands. By late Saturday, unfavorable environmental conditions should limit the chances for additional development while the system moves closer to the eastern Caribbean. Regardless of development, the system is likely to bring locally heavy rainfall to portions of the Lesser Antilles during the next few days. Formation chance through 48 hours is a low 10%. Formation chance through 5 days is a low 20%. Alright, and also Ernesto. Subtropical Ernesto with a maximum sustained winds of 40 knots or 45 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure is 1,007 millibars, located 42.0 north and 43.2 west. It is moving northeast at 14 knots or 60 miles an hour. Alright. Let's take a look at this storm here. This subtropical storm, it will be reaching Lesser Antilles and reaching in Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and don't know if it will reach Cuba, but it is headed that way. Alright, the game is afoot. Basically, the Atlantic, this is a signal that the Atlantic is primed and ready for the possibility of hurricanes. Please be ready for hurricane season. Doesn't mean panic, it just means get food, canned goods, supplies, candles, batteries, things you would need in a hurricane. Be ready. That's all it means. It means be ready. Alright, so please be ready for hurricane season. Alright, let's take a look here. Tennessee. That's the reason why there's a flood watch, a flood advisory for western Tennessee. There's a storm happening right there right now, and it will be heading northeast, northeast. There is another disturbance in the upper Midwest, and it seems to be heading east also. There's rain in Tallahassee, as I had said earlier, and Tallahassee, Louisiana, Alabama area right there. Alright, so please stay safe, guys. Please stay aware. Please be prepared for hurricane season, because all the signs that the hurricane season is primed and ready to start are here. Alright, stay safe, guys.